Nate, take one.
Hi, my name is Abby. Hi, my name is Abby. Are you having trouble with...
It's okay. Try it again.
Hi, I'm Abby. Are you having trouble deciding... Oh, shoot!
That's okay. Try it again. Just do it again. Just go for it.
Abby Adams, Girl Scout cookie sales, take 25.
Hi, are you?
These are candies.
That's right. Just go ahead and do it again.
These are shortbread cookies. Buttery.
That's right. Just do it. Start over. It's okay.
Come on down.
It's okay, John. Come on. Hurry. Oh, John. Oh, John was making a little noise there.
John's moving around. Go to the playroom, John, for a few minutes, please. Your food will be here shortly. Okay. We're getting Italian. Let's do one more. Yeah, I know you're hungry. But we're gonna finish this before we eat, okay? Do one more, Abby.
John, go in or don't open the door.
Go in and sit for a minute. And just leave the door open.
Be quiet. Thanks, Pop.
And just set the bags down and then don't make any noise. Is this okay, Clark? We're up
Hold on.
Yes, because we've had some noise on the set.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna take.
Uh-huh.
Hang on, 1 second.
Okay.
I'll do that. 5 seconds. I know you guys done it.
My favorite crunchy fudge coated treat that says eat. Say it again, this one. Just like Shelly, when you do 5 times in a row, try that nice and slowly. With each use, okay? And then say,
this world is awfully big. Girl, this time you're all alone. But it's time you started living. It's time you let someone else do some giving. Love